Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today let's continue with the deflection angle calculation topic. So today we are going to calculate deflection angles and bearings of the given stations. So here this is the first problem. Here you can see it is an open traverse which runs from A to G. So this is an open traverse which runs from A to G, and deflection angles are as follows. So they have given the deflection angles of the stations. B, C, D, E, F are the stations given, and respective deflection angles are also given in the problem. And they have also given the bearing of first line. The bearing of first line is 110 degrees 6 minutes. So now we have to calculate bearings of all the other lines, which means we have to calculate the bearing of line BC, CD, DE and EF. So take a pause and note down the question. So station B has a deflection angle of 32 degrees 16 minutes left, and station C has the deflection angle 18 degrees 34 minutes towards right, and station D has 22 degrees 12 minutes left side. Station E has 42 degrees 24 minutes right. Then the last point, or the last station F, has deflection angle of 52 degrees 42 minutes and the deviation is right side. So now let's calculate the bearings of all these stations or all the remaining lines. So they have given the bearing of first line 110 degrees 6 minutes. So now let's calculate bearing of the other lines. Bearing of BC. Bearing of BC. The first line is nothing but the bearing of AB. This will be the bearing of AB. Now we have to calculate bearing of BC, CD, DE and EF and FG. Now bearing of BC, that is equal to the given bearing, the bearing of first line, which is 110 degree 6 minutes, minus now deflection angle of station B 32 degree 16 minutes left side. Here we have taken the sign minus because the deflection angle is towards left side, or the deflection angle is anti-clockwise. So for that reason we are going to take here minus, the sign minus. Now the deflection angle of B is 32 degrees 16 minutes. Now by subtracting 32 degrees 16 minutes in 110 degrees 6 minutes, we will get 77 degrees 77 degrees 50 minutes, 50 minutes. Now let's calculate the second bearing. Bearing of CD. Bearing of CD is equal to, now we have calculated the bearing of BC. Now taking this value, now 77 degrees 50 minutes. Now look at here, the deflection angle of C is towards right. So we have to take the sign plus, because the deflection angle of C is towards right or clockwise. So we have to take plus symbol. Now the deflection angle of C is 18 degrees 34 minutes. So now after calculations we will get the answer 96 degrees 24 minutes. So let's move to the next bearing. So bearing of line DE, bearing of line DE. Now the bearing of the previous line CD is 96 degrees 24 minutes. So we have to take this value for the calculation of the next bearing of the line. So we have to take 96 degrees 24 minutes. Now come to the table. Now here the deflection angle of D is towards left. So now we have to take the symbol minus or sign minus. We have to take the sign minus. Now substitute the value of deflection angle at D, 22 degrees 12 minutes. 22 degrees 12 minutes. Now after subtracting 22 degrees 12 minutes and 96 degrees 24 minutes, you will get the value 74 degrees 12 minutes. 74 degrees 12 minutes. Now in the same way, let's calculate the bearing of the line EF. So bearing of the line EF. Now here the bearing of the previous line of the line EF is 74 degrees 12 minutes. Now take this value 74 degrees 12 minutes. Now look at the table. The deflection angle of station E is 42 degree 24 minutes right. So here the deviation of the deflection angle is towards right side, or it is clockwise. So we have to take the sign plus. Take the plus sign. Now substitute the value 42 degrees 24 minutes. Now after the calculation, the sum of these two values will give you 116 degrees 36 minutes. So 116 degrees 36 minutes. Now let's calculate the bearing of the next line FG. This will be the last bearing of the given open traverse. Now the bearing of line FG is equal. Now here we have to take the bearing of the previous line. The previous line is EF, and the bearing of EF is 116 degrees 36 minutes. So take the value 116 degrees 36 minutes. Now look at the table. Here the station F has the deflection angle of 52 degrees 42 minutes towards right. 52 degrees 42 minutes towards right side. Now for that reason we have to take the sign plus. Now substitute the value 52 degrees 42 minutes. The sum of these two bearings, the sum of these two angles will give you the bearing of the line FG. So the value is 169 degrees 18 minutes. So this completes the first problem. I hope you understood. So students, now let's move to the second problem. So here the question is, we have to reduce the interior angles. They have given the interior angles. So they have given interior angle. Here we have to reduce the interior angles of this closed traverse. Here the question is given about closed traverse. So in the previous problem we have they have given the open traverse. Now the question is about closed traverse A, B, C, D, E, F. Now they have given the interior angles and we have to calculate the deflection angles. So here there is a formula to calculate the deflection angles. So deflection angle is equal to 180 degrees minus interior angle. Interior angle. So let's start the problem. So the solution: deflection angle at A. Deflection angle at A is equal to, here as per the formula we have to write 180 degrees minus, now the interior angle of station A. Now the station A has the interior angle of 64 degrees 4 minutes. Now substitute the value 64 degrees 4 minutes and you will get the answer. The difference of these two angles will give you the answer 115 degrees 56 minutes. Now here we have calculated the deflection angles. We have to denote the direction of the deflection angle. Now here you can see the value or the answer of these two angles is positive. So because of that reason the deflection angle is towards right, or we can call the deflection angle is clockwise. So let's move to the next angle. Deflection angle at B, that is equal to 180 degrees minus the interior angle of B is 217 degrees 18 minutes. So substitute 217 degrees 18 minutes. Now the difference of these two angles, 180 degree minus 270 degrees 18 minutes, will give you the value minus 37 degrees 18 minutes. So here the value is in minus because here 217 degrees 18 minutes has this sign minus and it is larger than the value of 180 degrees. So the answer will be in minus. So here as the answer is in minus, the deflection angle is towards left side. So we have to write the angle as 37 degrees 18 minutes left. We have to denote the symbol or denote the letter L in the brackets. Now in the same way let's calculate the next deflection angle. Deflection angle at C, that is equal to 180 degrees minus the interior angle of C is 78 degrees 48 minutes. So 78 degrees 48 minutes. So the difference of these two values is 101 degrees 12 minutes. As the value is in positive nature, so the deflection angle is towards right. So we have to denote the letter R in the bracket. Now deflection angle at D, that is equal to 180 degrees minus the interior angle of station D is 57 degrees 44 minutes. So 57 degrees 44 minutes. The difference of these values will give the answer 122 degrees 16 minutes. As the answer is in positive nature, so the deflection is towards right side, so we have to denote letter R in the bracket. Now let's move to the next angle, deflection angle at E. So here 180 degrees minus the interior angle of station E is 223 degrees 12 minutes. 223 degrees 12 minutes. Now as 223 degrees has the sign minus and it is larger than 180 degrees, the value will be in negative sign. So the value is minus 43 degree 12 minutes. So as the answer is in minus sign, the deflection angle is towards left side. So we have to write it as 43 degrees 12 minutes left. We have to denote the letter L. Now the last deflection angle at station F. As per the formula, 180 degrees minus interior angle at F. So the interior angle of station F is 78 degrees 54 minutes. So write the value 78 degrees 54 minutes. Now the difference of these two angles is 101 degrees 6 minutes. 101 degrees 6 minutes. So as the value is in positive nature, so the deflection angle is towards right side, or the deflection angle is clockwise. So after all this calculations, we can have a check. So we can check the answers if they are right or wrong. So the check is here. Check. The algebraic sum of all the deflection angles must be equal to 360 degrees. So algebraic sum of deflection angles must be equal to 360 degrees. So now let's check. So the first deflection angle of A is 115 degrees 56 minutes. Now the next one is 37 degrees 18 minutes left. So as it is towards left, we have to use the sign minus 37 degrees 18 minutes, and the next deflection angle is towards right, so we have to use the sign plus. So the deflection angle is 101 degrees 12 minutes, and the next deflection angle is towards right, so we have to use the sign plus, and the angle is 122 degrees 16 minutes. So the next deflection angle at E is towards left, so we have to use the sign minus 43 degree 12 minutes, and the last deflection angle is towards right side, so use the sign plus, and the angle is 101 degrees 6 minutes. Now calculate the values. The algebraic sum of these values will be equal to 360 degrees. If it is equal to 360 degrees, then the calculated deflection angles are correct. So this completes the calculation of deflection angle topic. So in the next class we will learn the next topics. Thank you.